That's where we found it. We found it underneath that waterfall. The water was so loud, she drenched that cave with a mighty sound. Those rocks were kind of slippery. I'm glad that you were holding on to me. Though I could barely see your face, your hair was wet and didn't leave much space. And in that dark place I felt something moving from my arms towards my heart. What I felt surely was a spark. That's where we found it. We found it underneath that waterfall. A perfect place to rest our bones. We laid upon small crystal stones. The waves were crashing round us, almost as if we breathe inside the sea. How did you trap those fireflies inside those brightly playful eyes? And in that dark place I felt something moving from my arms towards my heart. What I felt surely was a spark.